All right, now, coming back to Samsung, we're on the cusp of this S21 launch. And of course, we all know the rumors that there probably, at least in some markets, will not be a power brick included in the package, which I don't even want to get into it because it's the writing is on the wall. It's not even worth necessarily arguing about anymore because it's just going to be the way it is, just like it was for the headphone jack. That's it. We've had the conversations. We've said all the things, the pros, the cons. Certain governments have issue with it, and they're going to go do whatever they're going to do. But we are living in an era now where you're going to have to bring your own charger or buy your own charger. Now, the unfortunate part for me, I'm such a fan of the new charging tech that's constantly improving that I feel so many people are going to have subpar charge experiences because they're using old power bricks and because they don't know what to buy and like what their phones even support because it's not in the box. I mean, of course you can look it up and figure it out, but it's just the whole situation has become a little bit more complex. So if you do pick up an S21 series phone, make sure you're looking at a charger that can deliver the charge speed that your device is capable of. Now, Samsung is going to make that a bit easier by launching some new chargers. Here we have a leaked image of their upcoming 65-watt USB PD charger. Now, just because it's 65 watt doesn't mean it can't charge devices at a lower, that receive a lower amount of power. It can do that. That's what the PD is all about. The name of the device, the EPTA 865, not making it any easier to remember. It features a single USB port and supports USB power delivery at up to 20 volts and 3.25 amps. And it is also programmable power supply compliant, so you can use it with all kinds of devices. Now, they have put out a bunch of power bricks in the past. I think I have the 45-watt one over there, but obviously 65-watt is fantastic. I'm a big fan, 65-watt, Willie do. I'm a big fan of the various VOOC chargers that are out there. So just keep this in mind if you're in the market to purchase one of these S-series devices that are coming out mere hours from when you're watching this, then keep your eye on your charge brick. You do not need to buy the proprietary Samsung one. There's plenty of great PD power bricks you can pick up on Amazon, or you can pick up from our partners, Anchor, who I've talked about in the past. Just make sure you get enough power for your device.